Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapters related to literature and entertainment. Do you know what literature is? Literature, जिसे हिंदी में साहित्य कहा जाता है, it refers to any collection of written or oral work or writings specifically considered to be an art form such as dramas, poetry, play, novels, etc. It also includes non-fiction genres like autobiography, diaries, essay, etc. So, in chapter 26, literary genres. Genres means a style or category of art, music or literature. In this chapter, we have to complete the words for the given statements. First is the story of a person's life written by the person himself. Self-written story by a person, इसे हम कहते हैं ऑटोबायोग्राफी, जिसे हिंदी में आत्मकथा कहा जाता है. Next is an amusing piece of writing that makes people laugh and has a happy ending. Any book or play or something जिसमें लोगों को हंसाया जाता है और जिसकी एंडिंग जो होती है वो क्या होती है, हैप्पी होती है, उसे हम कहते हैं कॉमेडी. This is a part of literature. Next is a long story usually about imaginary characters and events. Characters जो कि imagine किए जाते हैं, real नहीं होते हैं, उसे क्या कहा जाता है, novel, जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं उपन्यास या कोई कहानी. Next, a story in dialogue form written for the theatre. It is just like a work of drama जो with expressions theatre में किए जाते हैं. That is play. For example, शेक्सपियर का एक बहुत ही अच्छा फेमस प्ले है रोमियो एंड जूलियट. Next, several novels related to each other. बहुत सारी novels जो एक दूसरे से related होती है उसे हम कहते हैं सीरीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैरी पॉटर. हैरी पॉटर की बहुत सारी सीरीज आई, बहुत सी बुक्स आई है, लेकिन नेम उसमें हैरी पॉटर ही है, बट उसके अलग अलग पार्ट्स है. नेक्स्ट इज अ पीस ऑफ राइटिंग रिटन यूजिंग राइम, मेटाफोर्स एंड other figures of speech. Now what is figure of speech? It is a language that has other meaning than its normal definition. यानी उसके meaning से कुछ other ही उसकी definition निकलती है. So that is poem. It is also a part of a literature. Next, a short written piece that has a personal view or opinion on a particular subject. It is also a part of a literature. That is essay, जिसमें ऑथर का पर्सनल व्यू या ओपिनियन होता है किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पर, और इसे हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं, निबंध. नेक्स्ट, अ सीरियस पीस ऑफ राइटिंग विच एंड्स सॉरोफुली, जिसकी एंडिंग जो होती है वो बहुत ही सॉरोफुल होती है. दैट इज ट्रेजेडी. इट कंटेन्स डार्कर थीम्स सच एज हेट, डेथ, डिजास्टर, etc. Now, based on these information, complete your chapter in your book. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter 27, books and authors. So here in this chapter, we have to match these books to their authors. First is The Blue Umbrella, and this book is written by Ruskin Bond. Second is Five Fall into Adventure, and this book is written by Enid Blyton. Third is Malgudi Days, the famous book which is written by R.K. Narayan. Fourth is Gitanjali, and this book is written by Ravindranath Tagore. Fifth is The Three Musketeers, and this book is written by Alexandre Dumas. Sixth is Matilda, and this book is written by Roald Dahl. Seventh is The Prince and the Pauper, and this book is written by Mark Twain. And last one is Heidi. Heidi book is written by Johanne Spyri. So children, try to research on these famous books. So children, you have to do both the chapters in your book only. Thank you.